in all X, Y and Z axes. Servo motors that can be programmed to rotate ranging from 0 degree to 180 degree. Arduino, which is a programmable circuit board that consists transistors, capacitors, resistor, inductor, IC, all variable by programming we can get our desired circuit board. Based on the concepts of orientation in 3D, robotics and 3D programming, the robotic arm replicates the movement of a hand in all the three axes.
We have programmed the Arduino in such a way that it receives the data from the MPU6050 and sends it to the servo motor. The robotic arm has 3 servo motors and an extension which is used to attach any object. If we will move our hand from left to right, the base motor will move. Up and down for the elbow motor, and pronation and supination for the wrist motor. If we will move our hand in the resultant vectors of 2 axes, compound movements can be done.
Compound movements are movements where more than one type of motion is done. Gyro arm can do several tasks, that is piercing, lifting, and transportation.
Surgery. Millions of people die every day due to lack of good surgeon in places other than urban areas. Gyro sensor can be placed on surgeon's hand and connected to injury. Using a display, she can perform the surgery even from home. Can be used for studies of hazards, chemicals and microbes. Arm will provide proper accuracy and control over them without thinking about being infected. Bomb defusing, rescue, interplanetary, metallurgy research, satellite repairs can be used in any activity which requires human skill for places where they can't.
These are the equations by which we can calculate maximum lifting capacity of any robotic arm.
If we replace the servo motor with stepper motor and a metallic frame, efficiency would improve by 10,000%. By increasing the number and adding advanced orientation sensor, more accuracy can be achieved for surgery. Adding a chassis with 4 motor and using machine learning algorithm, it can become a physical assistant.
Arduino Uno rupees 500, 2 heavy servo rupees 800, 1 light servo rupees 150, MPU 6050 sensor rupees 200, wires and frameworks rupees 200. So the total cost of manufacturing is rupees 1850. If we get more funding, it can be